Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying essentials. Confirm your device has internet by testing another site or device. Once done, restart Chrome and reboot the router to clear transient network states. This often resolves DNS or route hiccups. Next, disable VPNs, proxies, and any security extensions because they commonly intercept traffic and block page loads. Make sure you keep notes of errors or messages you see. Those details guide the next, deeper steps. You now perform the middle steps that fix persistent failures. Flush the DNS cache to remove stale entries. This forces lookups to update. Then clear Chrome's cache and cookies, or open a guest profile to determine whether your user profile is corrupted. Next, briefly disable firewall or antivirus to see if security software is blocking connections. If pages load, reconfigure rules rather than leaving protection off. Keep testing after each change so you can pinpoint the cause. You finish by restoring a clean Chrome environment. Create a new profile to recover bookmarks and settings or sign into sync. If issues persist, uninstall Chrome and remove leftover user data, then install the current release to eliminate corrupt binaries. Finally, change to a known public DNS like 8.8.8. and capture Chrome's net internals or DevTools network logs for debugging. If pages still won't load, that single network log.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.